How to connect your REDTIGER dashcam with Wi-Fi. Turn on the dashcam. Press the M button to enter the menu, Settings. In Settings, select the Wi-Fi option and turn on. For a quicker way, press and hold the up button on the recording screen to toggle Wi-Fi on/off. The Wi-Fi SSID and password will appear on the screen. Open the app on your phone and tap Add Camera. It will go to your phone settings and please open WLAN settings. Find the corresponding SSID and enter the password. Connection successful. Then you can see the real-time recording. Tap the bottom left corner to play back and download videos. Tap Settings to customize your dashcam.
Connect the GPS bracket to the dashcam. Then do bench test before official installation to make sure everything is okay. Select the installation location on the front windshield of the car and rotate the bracket counterclockwise to secure. Fix the dashcam at the selected position and adjust to a desired angle. Reserve a section of wire for the car charger. Then use a crowbar to hide the remaining part of the wire in the gap between the front windshield and the roof. Hide the cable down the A-pillar to the front of the passenger seat foot pad. Hide it under the foot pad. And finally reach the cigarette lighter position and plug in the car charger. Like installing a car charger, hide the cables along the front windshield gap. Insert the power cord along the gap between the car body and the ceiling on the side of the passenger seat and between the rear seat and the ceiling and hide it into the welt. Select the installation location on the rear windshield and paste the electrostatic sticker there. Then peel off the 3M glue on the rear camera and stick it. After the installation is complete, start the vehicle and the dash cam will turn on.
How to connect your REDTIGER dashcam with Wi-Fi. Press the power button to turn on the dashcam. Press M button to enter menu. Press up or down button to select setting and M button to confirm. Scanning the QR code and download the app. Select Wi-Fi and activate. The seat and password will show on the screen. Open REDTIGER app. Press Add Camera. Jump to Setting and open WLAN. Find the seat and enter password. Connect successfully. find your video and download here.